Welcome back. So today we have a Boxy Charm unboxing right here. So there's not much to say. Let's just get into it. Go ahead and cut this open. Hello, Charmer. And get a quick sneak peek. And let's dive right in. Okay, so we have a tray stick, a matte for every mood. It's a mini matte lip crayon set. Oh wow, okay. We have Nantucket Nude, Florence Fig, Barcelona Bright Berry. So they have like all the shades on the back. So the Tristique mini lip crayon set retails for $58. So I am going to be testing out everything that we get here and just like tell you my actual thoughts and opinion, not just like, hey, this is what we got. Like I'm gonna test it out and tell you if I like it or not. And if it's something that I potentially think that I would purchase outside of the subscription box. So we will try them out, but let's just pull one of these. So it's just a crayon and looks like so. I don't know how well you're gonna line your lips like that or like fit, because it's very rounded. There's not like, it's not very angular to try to make sure that you can like line your lips properly, but okay, it's a crayon. So we have this Tristique thing. We're gonna swatch all of those. I do like this though. It's a variety and it's matte. I do like matte over like super high gloss. Okay, so this is the swatches. Forgive how bad they look because I did it with my left hand. Nantucket Nude, Florence Fig, Barcelona Bright Berry, Chili Red, Belize Bordeaux, and Tuscan Wine. I don't ever really do a pink. Sometimes these colors, and I go for more nude colors. So we'll see how these look, how they wear, and how they look on my skin tone. Okay, so the first color, I probably would never go for it. It's looking a lot better on camera than it does in person. I don't really know if I would go with this color because it just kind of like washes out and doesn't bring any kind of definition to my lips. Okay, so this is Florence Fig. I actually like this one. This is more of the color that I normally go for. It's really close to that color. And sorry, I can't film because somebody's talking really loud. So I actually do like this color. I'm not mad, in terms of the formula, I'm not mad at this, like how it feels. I'm just not sure how long this would stay on. I feel like this is something that I would have to keep reapplying throughout the day. Okay, this is Barcelona Bright Berry. I don't really go for like bright color makeup. This actually doesn't look too bad, but like I said, I don't know what's going on with my lighting on my camera where this just looks really neutral and kind of like a corally pink, but no, this is a bright pink, guys. It is a very bright pink. Don't know how often I would reach for that one. And then we have Chile Red, which, like I said, it's a little bit of a deeper red off camera, but this is a red, like it. Looks, like I said, more like orangey. Okay, so these all do kind of like stain your lips, so obviously you wouldn't wear these back to back to back, but that's why I'm going lightest to darkest because at least it'll cover up a little bit of the previous color. And this is Belize Bordeaux. It's looking like a red on camera, but it's like a burgundy, like a deeper pink, a deeper like purpley red, or like a purpley burgundy color. And the last color is Tuscan Wine. I really like this one. It's coming out pretty bright, like I said, orangey tint on camera, but it is very, like a very deep red, and I love that. I'd have to say my two favorites were Florence Fig and Tuscan Wine. Okay, so every shade of the mini matte lip crayons to match every one of your moods. Enjoy velvety, buildable color and a weightless matte finish that lasts all day. These ultra soft matte lip crayons come in a petite size, making it perfect for on the go. And I'd have to say, that these probably would last all day because like taking them off, I see how deep the color kind of stains your lips a bit. So they probably do last for a really long time, but the only way to really test that is to wear it out throughout the day and eat, drink, talk, things like that. So anyways, guys, next we have Thank Me Later. It's an eyeshadow primer by Elizabeth Mott. I actually don't really use eyeshadow primer. I'm just like, whatever. I will just put some concealer on it so the colors pop more, or I just don't even worry about it. Like I didn't put any concealer or anything on today. I just kind of did a little something. So it looks like this. Cute little packet. The Thank Me Later eye primer retails for $20. I'm just gonna apply that with my fingers. Distribute it just with one little squeeze over my eyes. Just gonna rub that in. So I guess it's gonna really help with a nice base and make it last. So let's read what it says. It's cruelty-free. I do like that. Wait, I was about to say free again. Primer enhances your eyeshadow and protects your makeup all day. Apply in the morning and go all night long without worrying. Dries quickly and transparently, prepping your eyelids for a smooth and even application of your shadow. Okay, so we did try that. I mean, it's an eyeshadow primer. I can't really, it's on. It's there. This is kind of where sometimes I'm like, I don't like when there's kind of repeat types of products. Like, give me something absolutely different in each. Like, you already, like whoever curates the boxes, you already gave us some lip products, and then you're gonna give me another lip product. So we have the Clarins Paris 03 Velvet Lip Perfector. Open this top. Okay, it's weird. It's like a spongy thing. Let's see what comes out of it. I'll bring it on this side. Let's squeeze, 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 squeeze. Is it a color? Yeah. Okay. So color's starting to come out of there. Interesting. So we're gonna have to read a little bit more and figure out what that is. Clarins' best-selling Natural Lip Perfectors go bold with a new matte finish, a liquid lipstick with a weightless mousse texture that delivers a highly pigmented, velvety finish with soft blur effect, formulated with conditioning and nourishing shea butter, leaves lips feeling hydrated for hours. So like I showed you guys, you just kind of squeeze this out, I guess. Ooh, that's weird. Okay. Can you see that? That's weird how that comes out. Okay. I don't know how to feel about it. It's hard to tell how the formula feels because of this like spongy applicator. It kind of feels dry because of the tip. I don't know how much I like this. I mean, rubbing my lips together, it does feel nice. Velvet Lip Perfection, okay. Is it like a velvety, I mean, yeah. It's like, it doesn't dry down immediately. I like that. Don't know about the color. The color kind of looks good with this shirt. It's reading more orange on camera, like a burnt orange color, but it's actually very like burgundy. Ooh, sorry. It's like very burgundy red. So it's reading completely different color on camera. The color, and so is this. What's wrong with my camera? That's crazy. I mean, I don't not like it, and I don't like it. I don't know. It's not really, I go for more like nudes and neutral colors, so browns and very nude colors. I do wear pinky, like if it's gonna be a pinky nude, but it's more on the nude side, so. I'm probably gonna keep it. Obviously, I'm not gonna try to like give it to anybody because I've used it and just with everything going on. So that'll be kind of like a backup thing. Maybe I'll reach for it once in a while, we'll see. Next, we have the QMS Medi Cosmetics Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. See, now this is something that I feel like I would want to use. I am a very natural, like skincare type person or makeup looking type person. So I do use skin tints very often. So since this is a tinted day cream, if it's something that I can kind of help fix up my complexion, but just run out the door and not feel like I have to do everything, then that's really beneficial. That's kind of the reason why I went and got my eyebrows marketbladed and I have eyelash extensions, because I just want this very natural but put together look. Oops. I can't open it. Oh wow, okay, got the top off. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a pump. It's not coming out. Oh, there it goes. And this is the problem though with this kind of boxes. It's like, is this gonna be my shade? Is this gonna be my color? It's very liquidy. Not liquidy, but you know, it feels good. That's most likely gonna be too light for me. But in the winter months, actually, I probably could get away with this color because I get really light. So I probably could get away with that, and then maybe just slap on a little bit of bronzer to warm up my face so I don't look super like washed out and pale. I do like that this is a pump, so if I feel like it's not a match for me or something that I can use, I potentially will give it away. We'll see at the end of the video, but that will not be like actually touching my skin. So the QMS Tinted Day Cream, this thing retails for $105. Okay. Retails for $105. Alrighty. It's a lightweight sheer color adaptive cream with vitamins, blurs imperfections to reveal visibly glowing, even skin. So I'm just gonna kind of put it around. Okay, no, I don't want to. That's like not even enough. There's like nothing. I can't even get anything out of this. I don't feel like this tubey thing and then this pump like work together. It's not really trying to come out. Okay, so it's a day cream and it's tinted. So I'm going to rub it around like as if it's just like a moisturizer or a sunscreen or something that I would be using. So I didn't take like the quiz. That's my fault. So if this isn't like a it's pretty decent color match considering I didn't take any kind of quiz saying my skin tone or my eye color or my brow color or anything. So unfortunately for like 3 months worth of stuff, it's kind of gonna be hit or miss whether it's gonna match me. Wow, that's really pretty though. I mean, it's glowing. It's just a tinted situation. Like it's not gonna cover any of my imperfections, even though it says blurs imperfections. I'm assuming that means like large pores and stuff. Like it's not really gonna fix that. Okay, so then I'm just gonna do like one more pump and like spread it around on my cheeks, a little bit on my forehead. Oof. And then yeah, I'm gonna actually gonna go in with my beauty blender. Yeah, so it's looking good on camera, but like I don't know, like if I'm gonna put something on my skin, I want it to at least do a little bit better of a job. Like it doesn't really look like there's anything on my skin. So then it's like, what's the point? Am I just like kind of clogging my pores for no reason? It's like, wow, you really can see like all my stuff still. It's not even all my scarring. Like you can really still see that. Like from the front, it looks fine. It looks like it, you know, blurred out my pores a little bit. There's a little bit of luminance to it. So it's kind of looking like I have like this fresh face look. I guess that's okay. I would probably like conceal too. So yeah, so I concealed just a little bit to take care of that. And then I'm gonna conceal a little bit. I'm using the Rare Beauty concealer because I didn't just do it for a video. I actually really like their products. Once again, check out that review there and first impressions. Okay, that looks a little bit better now that I've like concealed my under eyes and concealed my spots. Like, that's not bad. This is pretty lightweight. So yeah, I think I would continue to use this Active Glow. So yeah, so it's just supposed to bring this kind of like dewy look. I probably will use this. It's hard to tell if I'm gonna like it, like something like that straight off the bat. I'll have to use it a couple times to tell. All right, so next we have Cargo Cosmetics, and it's the Nude Beach Eyeshadow Palette. They have Boxy Charm's logo on it, which they don't have on any other ones. So this is it. Very cool tone. I don't know, is this the basics? I don't really see myself using any of these shades, so I'm kind of disappointed with this palette. I don't understand the point. Nude Beach. A combination of 9 neutral eyeshadows to complement and define your eyes. This travel-friendly palette, travel-friendly palette is perfect for a beautifully enhanced everyday look. Okay, I'll take that. I will take that. So if I want to just have a very neutral look, I could potentially get that from this. And so we will see. I really know what kind of look I want to go for. So we're just gonna go up here under my brow bone with this color here, which is Coconut Grove. It's probably the wrong brush to be using. I don't care, I'm not a makeup guru, I just do what I do. So it just kind of looks like I carved out my brows a little bit. Okay, like that. Very shimmery. It's very reflective, I like that. That's the eyeshadow look with this palette. I mean, it's cool, it's neutral. That's kind of the theme of this whole thing. All right guys, so that is it for this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below, let me know what you think was your favorite item, and do you have a Boxy Charm subscription? And if you do, let me know what you think. If you did like the video, hit the thumbs up button down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you never miss a future upload. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and until next time, much love.